What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and today we are going over 7 unforgivable style mistakes that almost every guy is guilty of, including me. You know, I used to make every mistake on this list, but I learned my lesson. So instead of waiting for you to make the mistakes and learn from them, we're just gonna skip that step. All right, we're gonna go over them so that you know exactly what you have to stay away from. And mistake number 1 is being too flashy. Let me tell you, there is a huge difference between having your own style and having, being edgy or being different and being too flashy. One of the most common problems I see is just guys wearing like too many brand logos or too many patterns. If everything you're wearing has a logo on it, your t-shirt, jeans, shoes, you're just a billboard, you're a walking ad for all of these brands, especially the ones with the huge logos right here. I'm not saying you should never wear that, all right, but take it easy, wear them once in a while. Another common mistake that I see way too much is guys wearing too many accessories. Look, I love accessories and you guys know that. They have the ability to make an outfit come together, which also means they also have the power to just completely kill your outfit. The next unforgivable style mistake is wearing flip-flops and jeans. First of all, when should you wear flip-flops? To the beach, to the pool, at home, and where else? Nowhere else. That is it. If for some reason you end up wearing jeans to the beach or the pool, which first of all, it's just not good, all right? The only way to make that worse is by wearing flip-flops. Somehow I still see guys wearing flip-flops and jeans, rocking the look. It just doesn't look good, guys, and I can promise you that every girl out there, they don't like that. If you want to wear flip-flops or slides, then put on your swim trunks, or shorts, and there you go. Problem fixed. No jeans. Another unforgivable style mistake is wearing an Apple Watch when you're trying to be classy. If you start mixing sportswear with formal clothes, it's just never gonna look good. There are so many options for dressy watches, but unfortunately the Apple Watch just isn't one. Today's video sponsor, Vincero, has you guys covered. As you know, I've been working with the Vincero guys for years and they make some beautiful watches. I probably have 10, maybe 15 Vinceros and they all look great. You know that I have expensive watches and I appreciate watches more than most people, more than most guys. And Vincero has really surprised me over the past years with how well built these are. You've seen me wear most of them here on this channel. I just got some new ones though that you haven't seen yet. These are modern, they're sleek, they're affordable. These are called Kairos mesh and I have them both in silver with the sunray blue dial. It's a beautiful blue dial, and in gold with the black dial. And to make things better, Vincero is having their biggest sale of the year right now. So you're gonna get the best prices on everything listed on their website, even the brand new watches that just came out. And that is because they're celebrating their 5th anniversary right now. That means you get the beautiful watches that will get you compliments, that will complete your outfits and make you look amazing at an affordable price point. Guys, you don't want to miss this sale because every man needs a watch. And if you don't want to break the bank, this is the way to go. I'm gonna link their website in the description right below so you can go check out their sale and get you some Vinceros. Next up on today's list, something that I've been guilty of in the past, back in the day, all right? Wearing extra tight shirts. And here's how you can tell if a shirt is too tight. It's actually pretty easy, all right? If you're wearing a tight shirt, the fabric is gonna be pulling between your chest right here. Okay, and also it's gonna be pulling between your shoulder and your chest. So this area right here is gonna be pulling between your triceps. You're gonna see that fabric just really to its limit. There is a huge difference between slim fit or muscle fit and way too freaking tight. If you go to the gym and you wanna show off your hard work, you can do that, but remember that it can't be pulling everywhere or you're gonna look like a grown man in a little child's outfit. Look, we know that ladies love fit guys, but they definitely don't appreciate guys that first of all don't know how to dress, and second, they appear too snobby or trying to be show-offs. All right, if the shirt is too tight, they're trying to show off, but it ends up backfiring, which is not good. Which brings us to another huge mistake. It's more of a dilemma, in my opinion. Quality versus quantity. Which one is better? Is there a clear winner between quality versus quantity? Well, I always recommend owning a lot of common basic pieces, like plain tops and basic pieces that are, affordable, interchangeable, easy to mix and match. That's what I've been doing and it was the best decision ever. But every dope outfit needs at least one piece that brings it all together. And it's better to invest in a quality piece than a bunch of cheap ones. If you're gonna buy a leather jacket, don't buy something that's gonna fall apart in 3 months. You know, save up and buy the one that you really want. Think big here. If you want those sneakers that you've been looking at online for months, you've been just like, man, I really want those. Work extra hours, you know, bring those babies home, man, or spend less money on stuff that you don't really need or want. So to me, the way to go is affordable basics so that you can get a higher quantity and nice quality items when it comes to standout pieces. Another unforgivable mistake is to not wear a belt if you have belt loops. Well, like 99% of the time. Look, you might be able to get away with no belt here and there, depending on the look, but for simplicity's sake, let's just say, wear the belt. And yes, matching the shoes and the belt is a real thing. Try to get the same tones and match brown belts with brown shoes and black belts with black shoes. If you don't like wearing belts, then get the trousers that have the adjusters, those straps here on the side. That way you can adjust the waist size without the need for belt loops or a belt. Next up, guys, extra long pants, jeans, trousers, whatever you want to call them. Dude, it's time to get that thing hemmed. When you wear pants that are too long, they hide the sneakers that you're wearing, they stack up right on top of them, and then it just like causes all that extra fabric, you know, that looks terrible. You don't want that. It just looks like you're borrowing the pants from your really tall older brother, or maybe you shrunk over the past months for some reason. I'm not sure why. Your pants are much longer than they need to be. So the solution, get them hemmed, all right? When you buy them at the store, you can actually get them hemmed for free most of the times if you buy them in a retailer. Now, if that's not an option, if you bought them online, whatever, you might just have to spend 10 or 15 bucks at the tailors, but it's 100% worth it, guys, because it's actually gonna fit you properly, and it's still cheaper than buying new pants or jeans. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're making any of these mistakes and what you're gonna do to fix it. And guys, don't forget to check out Vincero's biggest sale of the year. I'm gonna leave a link to their website in the description below, so you can go check out their whole collection of watches. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, become part of the YouTube family, and follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. It's been amazing. And I'll see you again soon. Peace.